Welcome to Ziawa Mzansi. Thank you very much for the love and support that you're showing the channel. Thank you. Ngiyazibongela. And before singene ku-video yanamhlanje, I'd like us to look at this disclaimer that I have for this video that I'm doing right now. Yeah, it says this video contains graphic violence against an inmate linked to the R and murder case of two teenage girls in KwaNobuhle, Eastern Cape. Viewer discretion is advised due to disturbing content. It is shared for informational purposes only and does not condone violence. And then you'll read the rest. So, kule video le yanamhlanje, what I'd like us to talk about ile video le engiyibone itrenda on social media, you know. Mangiyibona this thing, but before we get there, yazi kunale saga sesizulu esithi isala kutshelwa sibona ngomobo. Umuntu osaziyo ke isiZulu uzokwazi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani. And angeke ngize ngichaze, uzozifundela nje, ngizoyibeka la ku screen uzozifundela. Why ngibeka lento le? Ngithi isala kutshelwa sibona ngomobo. It's because of this boy. Here's the video that I'm talking about. I've tried my level best to cover the face of this boy. You know, it's a young guy, but izinto abazenzile, if you were to see izinto abazenzile, they are terrible. You know, ngicela nje sike sibheke le video le. I've tried to cover the face of the guy, but you will get the gist of what I'm talking about. This boy, and for the full video, uzoyithola on the X channel, on the X page. Yes, Ziawa Mzansi. I've created a page on X, and you will see the full video, how it and the video is long, it's quite long, so I ngiyitrimile ngafaka just this part because lana at least abamshayi. But if you look at the whole video, the original video, ziyamkhalela lo mfana laphayana. And masothatha ukubheka indlela ekwenzeke ngayo, it's because of these boys babulalela abantwana laba amantombazana abayi-2 babona la escreenini. This one, and there's this one as well. Story ukuthi these boys, but there's this word I don't want to use la ku-YouTube. There's this word. They did that and then bababulala, babaqeda babashisa. Ukuthi babashiseleni, bababulaleleni, I'll never know. And this case, man, yazi ilethela nobuhlungu, especially uma umzali ula uzo-understand khona ukuthi kunjani kulahlekelwa umntwana ngendlela efana nayo. And the case has been covered by a lot of news outlets, even SABC. This is the matter that they are talking about. It involves one of the suspects you've just seen on Assault Alapani.
My sister called me and said that she thinks that it's her daughter because she was supposed to return from wherever she went to come back and write. She's writing exams. So, but she didn't return because it was Tuesday when she was supposed to go and write grade 12.
There's an element of relief and anxiety because you don't know what the response is going
This
to
is
be.
the scene la kutholakale khona le
After
iqembu
today?
zala mantombazane
Or are we going to see an
bashisiwe
outbreak of violence?
sebashonile.
Because remember, these are people when they try to report a crime to certain police officials, the very same police officials will give their names to the very offenders that they are trying to report. And before you know it, their doors are being kicked. So this is the fear that they have. No one feels safe in KwaNobuhle. And police are part of the problem.
This is the problem esibhekene nayo ke la as a country, ukuthi ubone kwenzeka igameko ezinjengalezi. Zibuhlungu lezi zinto lezi ezivela, zibuhlungu. Yonke lento eyenzeke la, I can imagine ukuthi ama-family wala mantombazane, what are they going through at the moment? And at the same time, you know, I can see izinto ebezinokwenzeka if amaphoyisa wafikanga on time to get these boys babathathe babavalele. But then akusizi, because at the end of the day you see what they are going through inside. So this video kahle kahle, it should serve as a warning to le ntwana ezincane ezisakhula, yabona, lezi ezibona ngazo ukuthi ukwenza icrime into right, ukwenza icrime usuke uhleva, ukwenza icrime usuke ayisizi lento le, because masole ngaphakathi uyothola ama-champion we-game and azobadila nawe ngendlela ongeke uzimele. So this is the video that I wanted to share to you today. So if you need the original video of that suspect that was assaulted there, the original, the way in a corner, you'll find it on Zewa Mzansi on X account. Then I've posted the video there. So for the purpose of this video, ngicela nje ukuthi ngiyigcine khona
You
la,
see the message from my friend.
because now I'm at details on the case there. It says the case involving the murder of two teenage girls, Nothando Malinga and Iwanati Peter in KwaNobuhle, has seen significant developments. You see, the girls' burnt bodies were discovered on the 18th of June. And then after that, the 8 male suspects aged between 16 and 27 were arrested on June 19. There's ngicela ukujampela la kule paragraph okunye uzosala uzifundela. A recent development reported on June 25 indicates that one of the accused was brutally attacked in prison, requiring hospitalization due to the severity of the assault. So ivideo yami namhlanje iphelela lana, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for being with me up to this far, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Please take care. Peace. I'm out.